Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Mizanur Rahman. Today we'll talk about Tier 1 IT support common issues. As we'll talk about common issues, which is the problems, and we'll talk about also at the same time the solution. So let's go through. Um, as you can see, the troubleshooting steps we always keep in our mind. Whenever we see the problem, we have to analyze and we have to go a good solution. That means we have to identify the problem, establish a theory to probable cause, and test probable cause theory and determine actual cause, establish an action plan, and execute verify for systems functionality, and we will keep in documents for further future. We always, as a tier one IT support, we always keep on our mind, which is TCP IP5 layers, which is physical data links, networks, transport, and application. We should follow by steps. And so, as you can see here, someone having a problem, Outlook not receiving emails. What should we do? As in the first step, we'll see if the customers or the user recently might change their password, they forgot it. We also will check the Outlook's bottom page. Usually it's a need password or no network. Then we can see if page mode is enabled. Also, we'll recreate the user profile. It could be the problem because the password expired or blocked the account. Anyways, we'll see all of them and go step by step and make a solution for it. Again, if another customer is having or another user having a problem with mouse or keyboard is not working, what should we do? We'll check the physical cable if it's plugged incorrectly. If not, then we'll plug in correctly. We might try to different port to use it, make it work, and if it is not work, we might check the driver. If it's install it, we might uninstall and install them again. Replace the keyboard and mouse if necessary. Then it will be working fine. And the next, if we see someone having issues with website not working, what should we do? I mean, we'll see the person actually trying to access those websites. It is, I mean, type it correctly or not. It may be in one word wrong, so they cannot go through. So first of all, we'll see that, and we will also see if the site is blocked. I mean, any specific website, someplace they are blocking. So it could be happen by that. We'll check them on. Also, we will try to delete the cookies on Chase and reset Chromes. We might do finally the factory setting for the browser. In some cases, you might need to allow some website which has a trust on your computer. The next we can talk about my internet is not working. So what happened when someone actually having a problem with connect with the internet? First of all, we'll be checking. I mean, why it's not working. We'll try to go through in remote, open up, try to type ipconfig and try to also at the same time flush DNS. We'll try to restart the computer and we'll check the physical connections, which is the internet cable, and we'll try to replace the cable. In a rare case, we will check if the IP is ping through the CMD command. We'll check the switch router and Wi-Fi. Okay, now I need to access to network drive. Now mostly people actually save all their data in the network, which is cloud. So if some reason they cannot access their um, the drive, what should we do? And depending on the IT company, we will take the approval first, and we'll check. Um, step by step. We can start trying to map the network if it is work. Um, Maybe they need to add a security group and get to this drive. If they were added to a security group, you have to log off and log in back again. We'll run a upgrade, force the machine to restart it. Hopefully, definitely it should work. Someone having a problem, printer is not working. What is the reason? We always, again, we always keep our mind TCP5 IP layer, and that means we'll check in first of all physically if the USB cable is connected, and then we'll see if they needed any driver, and we'll try to buy ping commands to see the printer is connected or not. We'll make sure the printer is work. If it is in the office, definitely we can see it, and maybe other people can use it. Sometime if it is connected with the server, maybe it's not configured with the right IP. So we'll check them and make sure it should work. This scenario, what you should do, user cannot connect the PC remotely. Okay, so we'll check, first of all, the computer is online or not. We'll see most cases, we'll see maybe the person, if it is in, Active Directory, they might actually block from the groups, or something happened, they removed, and some cases user might need add it again in the groups. We'll see their VPN software is working properly or not. We'll also see what kind of error message actually they are receiving. So depending on the situations, as I mentioned in the earlier, like we always having a TCP IP 5 IP layer, which can give us exact the place where there is something problem. So we'll try to restart the machine through the CMD. Will hopefully it will work. Now the phone, my phone won't turn on. So nowadays, these people are actually using company phones most of the time. They give people the phone to work because it's easier to carry here to there. So and maybe again, they are also added in the Active Directory, which is a mobile directory. We'll see if something they need to upgrade their systems, or maybe they need to patch it, or they need to check with their user. Yeah, for those reasons maybe it's happened. So we'll check it step by step, and it should work. Now see some people having a problem and their audio is not working. So what should I do? Maybe they might have no speaker on their computer or their device, and they might have a problem with their sound card. So they might need to download their driver for this. And if they are trying to use the USB, and the USB port having maybe issues, so they might try to different USB. Yeah, hopefully it will work. Otherwise, they need to replace the sound card or headphone. Okay, my Outlook, Word, Excel is not responding. There is so many reasons. Actually, most cases now, this is the one of the top complaint people will having in their tier one IT positions. So we have to kill the process, the application task manager. Maybe there is not much memory in the application, so we need to um, make some space to in the RAM to run the machine smoothly. We have to check also the Outlook is not connected to the internet. Excel is running a macro that just crashed it, and Excel might need more RAM to run it smoothly. Um, you can force the Excel run max CPU to run the files. You can disable hardware acceleration to fix that issues. Anyways, you have to try so many different way. You might try Open Excel, Word, Outlook, whatever it is, in the same mode, a safe mode. So yeah, hopefully it will work. There's also other common Acrobat issues people are facing on a daily basis. So we have to run and repair within the control panel. What you need to do, exactly that's what I'm trying to mention. And so user cannot open file, change the default open to the PDF. What they need to do is, I mean, for those reasons, actually, will reinstall the software, and either we can repair the add-up, it will be fine. Add-ins not working. Add-ins, Outlook, Excel, Word. Remove add in option settings and add it again. Remove add in from the control panel and reinstall it again. Repair the add-ins. Try and open add within the hidden files. App update Microsoft. Update Microsoft admin. Re-image machines, delete the user profile and try it again. Hopefully it will. Next, monitor is not working. What should we do? We might try to take the power first as the same issues, same way always we'll check the TCP/IP5 layers. And so we'll check the physically if the cable is connected properly or not. We'll see the VG cable on the monitor. It could be HDMI. In some cases, they are not connected actually properly with the machines. Could happen. Maybe the graphics of the motherboard is dead, is actually out of water. So those actually common issues could happen. So we'll see one by one and we'll fix the problem. Anyways, thank you so much. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in next